Clean your mind daily. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Right now, allow yourself to pause. No rushing, no pressure. Just this moment. Every single day, your mind collects invisible dust, negative thoughts, unfinished worries, fear of the future, regret from the past. These thoughts pile up quietly, and before you realize it, your mind feels heavy, restless, and tired. Just like your body needs a shower, your mind needs cleaning too. Cleaning your mind does not mean escaping reality. It means choosing what deserves your attention. It means letting go of what you cannot control and making peace with what you cannot change. Close your eyes for a moment. Notice your breath. As you inhale, imagine fresh, calm energy entering your mind. As you exhale, release tension, doubt, and negativity. You don't need to solve everything today. You don't need to carry every burden. Some thoughts are not problems to be fixed. They are weights to be released. Remember this: you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts, and what you observe, you can choose to release. Clean your mind of comparison. Your journey is unique. Someone else's success does not take away from yours. Trust your timing. Clean your mind of guilt. You did the best you could with what you knew at the time. Forgive yourself. Growth begins with compassion. Clean your mind of fear. Fear often comes from imagined futures that may never happen. Bring your attention back to now. This moment is safe. Each day, create a small ritual for mental cleaning. It could be 5 minutes of silence, a short walk, a deep breathing exercise, or simply turning off your phone and reconnecting with yourself. When your mind is clean, clarity appears. You make better decisions. You respond instead of reacting. You feel lighter, calmer, and more present. A clean mind gives you power, not the power to control the world, but the power to control how you respond to it. So tonight, before you sleep, and tomorrow when you wake up, remind yourself of this simple truth. Clean your mind daily. Release what no longer serves you. Protect your peace, and let your life flow with calm, focus, and purpose. Breathe in peace. Breathe out everything that weighs you down. Your mind is your home. Keep it clean.